There you go guys, we've got a 1080p kind of protected light camera here. LED lights in there for night vision, 4-pin Aviation connector for the plug. This here comes unscrewed, the actual cover, and actually then the whole thing actually pulls off, and then you can screw it on. So once the camera's in place, it's quite smooth. There's not really any ways to play around with it, unless you actually did go and get a special small Allen key in here and try and move it. But you can obviously loosen it up, and the camera can change angle up or down. So pretty handy to have at the back there, flush mounting on the rear of a truck or bus or van. You can either point it down or up a bit if you want a bit more of a rear view. Yeah, pretty straightforward. Good camera to have recording at the back for your back view.